I think it's amazing when I see any partnerships, especially when it's family.
Mm-hmm.
You know, there's this old saying that a lot of people say is that never get into business with your family and everything else. And I've always found that strange because
Mm-hmm.
in my mind, it's like, I mean, don't get me wrong, there's people in my family I wouldn't get into business with, right? But in my mind, it's always like, there is certain family members that if the opportunity comes,
Mm-hmm.
why wouldn't I take a deal to them?
Yeah.
Why wouldn't I want
Yeah.
to work with them? Why wouldn't I want to do
Yeah.
something?
That's right.
And I often think about my three young girls in the sense of, you know, I'll never force them into doing anything. Like they will just, we'll do our best at parenting,
Mm-hmm.
make
Yeah.
sure they're understanding
That's right.
all things to do with money
Mm-hmm.
in terms of being, I guess, because you don't just get taught financial education at school.
No.
So that's our duty to help that
Mhm.
with our kids and to make sure we set them up and lead them and guide them the best possible way that
Yeah.
we can do, but allowing them to make their own choices.
Mhm.
And
That's
part
right.
of me
Yep.
inside is like, if I can just influence them enough about property and business, maybe they'll
Yeah.
come in the fold and want to work on the continue to build the empire and all that kind of stuff,
Yeah.
you know. But it's quite exciting to think that, you know, getting to just have that enjoyment with family, you
Yeah,
know.
I know. It's just getting. I mean, we always did stuff together, eh?
Yeah.
So I think it's you have, and as you say, as they grow up, it's like how much influence do you give them? What do you want them to be as they get older and stuff like that? But yeah,
Yeah.
it's a big responsibility as a parent, but it's fun.
Absolutely.
It is.
Must be
Trust.
proud.
Oh, 100%, 100%. You know what I mean? We've had our own story.
Yeah,
I was saying to Richard in the last podcast that I lost my wife, Jack's mum. So I think you were 14, I think, at the time.
Yeah,
So that brought us together. She had cancer, and so that just tightened everything up. So after that, like I'm always the person I focus on. Right, I've got a plan. So when she passed away, I said to Jack, this is what we're doing next weekend. This is what we're doing in a month, and that's that. So we always had a plan, and it just kept us focused what we're doing.
Yeah.
So
I think as well, like keeping it with your family, you can trust each other. You're not going to be some random business partner where it's like, well, we obviously had that experience with the last guys and
Yeah.
taught us a lesson, but like there's no doubt in our mind that we trust each other to get the job done and whatever it might be. So,
Yeah.
Yep. We've found that we've worked with people, and maybe people will go, right, I want to work with you guys, or I can help you do this or the next thing. Then we thought we could do that ourselves. Just learn something and let's just focus on it and let's do it ourselves. And it's worked for us, eh?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
But kind of on the back of that as well, we're also looking at that kind of way scaling a business as well. And we're like, right, how do we start stepping back and employing someone to, if they're kind of running the deal sourcing side of things, we can focus on the projects or we've been speaking about that quite a lot. But we're kind of at that stage we need to be doing more and making more until we bring someone in. But
Yeah.
we're getting there,
Yeah,
That's the
absolutely.
plan.